I have 48 hours to find a winning product, start a dropshipping store, and try to make some profit. In today's video, I'm doing a 48-hour Shopify dropshipping challenge where we're going to build out everything from complete scratch. Then I'm going to translate my store and use the one country dropshipping strategy to hopefully make a ton of profit. What's going on, guys? I'm Henrik, and on this channel, I'm teaching you everything that I know about e-commerce, advertising, and how to make sales with a dropshipping store. But I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get straight into the challenge, starting with step number 1, which is finding the products. All right, so as you can see, we're on my Nia, which in my opinion is the best product research tool out there. And in this video, I was thinking about running TikTok ads for the product. I'm still going to check though. Maybe we'll end up running Facebook ads too. Who knows? But on my Nia here, we can basically break everything down. We can see which countries are the best to run it. We can see when the product was found. But I'm basically just going to go up to the ad spy section here. I'm going to go to TikTok ads. I'm going to put on the dropshipping filter. And then I'm just going to be scrolling for some time to try to find a winning product. As you can see, there's tons of good features here. We can see how many plays it has, how many likes it has. And I'm trying to find a product that seems to be trending right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the filters to, let's say, May the 1st to May the 26th, just to get more so new products that I think could be trending. And now I'm just going to be scrolling here for like 15-20 minutes. Then I'm going to do some market research and I'm going to try to find one winning product that we're going to run for this challenge. So just give me like 20 minutes to try to find a good product and then I'll be back on the camera. All right, I'm back. I've done my research. It's actually a new day, but I think I found a product that's incredibly unique and also very cheap. So I was scrolling my Nia to find some products and I stumbled across a couple of shaving products, but I didn't really think they were anything crazy. So what I ended up doing is I came onto AliExpress, and as you can see here, I started doing tons of research. If you guys want to steal any of these products, feel free to do so. But I started doing a lot of research until I encountered this product, which really grabbed my attention. As you can see, this is a portable and electric shaver for men. And I just thought it was really cool because it's really cheap and there's always going to be a demand for this type of product. Now, I might not be selling it to the US. As you guys know, I like to take products that's doing good in the US and bring them over to Europe. That's how I managed to get insane results like this. So let's see in this dropshipping challenge if I'm able to get the same results. But look at this. It's absolutely amazing. It's a super small product. Is super convenient. It's almost something that I would actually like to have myself. Now, I'm not going to use AliExpress to source it. I'm just going to find it here, and then eventually once it starts taking off, I'm going to source it. I'm not going to count the hours that I slept, but we only have 40 hours left of this challenge. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to build out a full one product store for it. Then I'm going to get the description up and going. Then I'm going to get reviews. Then I'm going to get content. And after that, I'm going to be back with you to show you the store. Once that's done, we're going to get the creatives and we're going to run the ad. And I really have a strong feeling about this product. And if you want to start a new Shopify store, as you can see here, I have you a link that gives you Shopify for $1. So I'm going to just link that in the description and also probably use it. But enough talking. I'll be back once I've done the store. All right, so I built out the store and I have to say that it's looking absolutely incredible. I also got the video out, so let's check it all out. But before that, I just wanted to show you that I'm buying the product for around $7 and I'm going to sell it for 19 euros, which I believe to be around $20 to $21. You might be thinking that's a little bit of a low margin, and I do agree because it's only around like $12, $15. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get the first couple of sales in, and once I get the sales, I'm going to increase the price to 21 and maybe 24 and then 25, and so goes on. But if we go into the site, you can see that I've been using AI ChatGPT like crazy for this one. I actually made it just translate pretty much my whole product page, and this is an insane tool for anyone that does one country dropshipping, which is a strategy that I use to become super profitable. Now, before we check out a page, I just wanted to invite you to my completely free Telegram channel. I teach business advice there for completely free every single day. So I'm going to link the Telegram in the description. You're not going to regret joining. You have to get in right now because the value there is insane. But as you can see, here's the product page. We got it all translated. Pretty simple page, but it has all the most important things. We have the delivery information, we have the return information, then we have some information about the product, and then we have pictures on one side, then we have text on the other side, and then we have get yours now all over the place. This is very important when you dropship to make it easier for the customer to make the purchase. But if we keep scrolling, we can see it's just a very nice page. We got the 60-day money back guarantee, and I know you probably don't understand what it says here unless you speak the language, and I don't really understand it that well either. But we're doing one country dropshipping, so we always translate the page. I'm going to run it to Germany after doing some market research on it, and then we got the social proof here with Luke's Reviews, which is the absolute go-to app when it comes to reviews. As you all know, the most important factor on your store is trust. If a customer comes to your product page and he doesn't see that anyone has been using it before him, there's no sign of trust. He's probably not going to buy it. So when it comes to reviews, I recommend you to use Luke's Reviews. It's the absolute best app out there. So I'm quickly just going to show you how it works. What you want to do is you just want to drag Luke's up to your bookmark right here. So you have the import to Luke's button up here, and then you want to come over to the AliExpress supply right here. Then you want to hit the import to Luke's button up here. Then you have to select the product that you want to import it to. And here we got the layout. So as you can see, we can go by the countries and whatever we want to, and then we can actually translate it, which is an absolute key feature when it comes to one country dropshipping. And you can simply just keep going. When it comes to the plan that you want to choose on Loox, I highly recommend you to go with the growth plan, as it can give you video reviews. But the most important feature about the growth plan is that you're able to import 100 reviews. As you know, on your store, if you only have 7 reviews, 10 reviews, whatever, it can be a little bit of a low number. So I really recommend you to go with the growth plan so you can get the maximum amount of reviews. So I'm going to go ahead and link Loox reviews in the description. Make sure you get it on your Shopify store because it's absolutely essential. So the next thing I did once the store was set up is I went over to ROAS formula, and the reason for it is just because my friend runs it and he's able to translate the video ads. Since I'm running the product to Germany, I wanted to go with the TikTok ad that I could get translated. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to take a look at the video ads that I got. I actually got 3 different variations. I don't really understand what it says though because I don't speak the language, but okay, it seems pretty good. It kind of shows the product really functioning. Going to quickly skip through it a little bit. We got 3 creatives. It's very important when you run products on TikTok that you have multiple creatives. You never want to rely on only one because there's not the best targeting on TikTok. Therefore, the main thing that's going to separate you and make you win is actually the video ad you choose. So now that we got the store fully set up, we got it translated, we got the video ads, and we got the social proof. I'm going to go over to the TikTok ads manager and set up the ads, and then we're going to be running the advertisement for around 40 hours. And then I'm going to check in with you once I've done it, but obviously I'm going to teach you the exact ad strategy as well. All right, so we're inside of my TikTok ads manager, and I'm just going to come up here to create, to set up the actual campaign. You always want to go with the custom mode, then you want to go for website conversions. Then when it comes to budgeting, I always want to go with CBO. It's the absolute best way to test out products on TikTok. And I'm going to put the budget to $100 a day. Now, as you can see, it says 1,000. It's just because I'm using a different currency. Now that I'm inside the ad set, I'm quickly just going to select my pixel. We want to go for a complete payment. Then for a placement, we only want to go with TikTok. I'm just going to put on automatic targeting, and I'm also going to use Germany as my country, as that is the actual country I'm running it to. I'm going to make sure that I run the ads from 4 a.m. till, let's say, 23. Then I'm going to go next and get inside of the ads where I'm going to call my store Easy Shave. I'm also going to make sure I get a logo uploaded, but I'm going to do that once I'm done with this. For the text, I went on Google and I found 50% off sale ending at midnight. I split tested a lot of things, so I can definitely say that that is a very good option to go with. When it comes to the URL, you always want to make sure, and this is very important, that you lead your customer to the product page. For the call to action, you want to hit standard and then you want to hit shop now. Okay, so we got the video ad uploaded. It looks really cool. It looks really catchy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to submit the campaign, and after that I'm just going to add the 2 different video ads, and I'm going to show you how I set up the ad set. So I'm just going to go ahead and make the copy of the ads, and I'm just going to change one thing. So I'm going to go ahead and click update here, and I'm going to upload another video from my computer. I'm just going to do this until I have all the 3 creatives. All right, so we now got all the 3 video ads in here, and it's very simple. I'm just going to go to the ad group here, then I'm going to make 4 copies, and we're going to set up our 5 ad sets. All right, so as you can see, we got 5 ad groups set up. We got 3 creatives under it. Now I'm just going to run the ads until tomorrow morning. Then I'm going to check back in with you and let you know the results. All right, so it's the evening. Last night I had to make some changes to my ads because I had a couple of problems with it. So I went ahead and made some changes and actually ended up launching a new campaign, because for my first campaign I had made a huge mistake. I was targeting both genders, and there was some other weird things I was doing as well, such as putting the automatic optimization on. So we had a little bit of an accident there. We kind of overspent, which made me think that this challenge could actually become profitable, but the challenge is over now. So I'm going to show you the results, and they are not as expected. I actually kind of failed, but not really. Considering the fact that I actually made a little mistake on the campaign, I think this product can become profitable. All right, everyone, so here is the store. I'm going to go ahead and quickly refresh it for you. As you can see, we managed to get 3 sales. It's not really that bad to be the first day, especially considering the fact that I made a huge mistake with the campaign. If I run the campaign for a long time, we probably could have been able to make this profitable. I still believe that the product is an absolute winner, but you're probably wondering, Henrik, how much did he even profit? And as you can see, on May the 30th, we made 2 sales for 37.80, and then the day after we made 18 sales. I think we can probably make more as well, but this is what you all want to see. I'm quickly going to say the strategy absolutely works. I don't want you to, think that one country dropshipping doesn't work. We just got very unlucky here, and that's realistic results. Sometimes it just happens when you just test price. As you can see, we got sales worth $56.70, and then we had a product cost of $5 approximately each, which is going to make us a total of $15, but our ad cost was $120. So 120 plus 15 is 135, but then we also have to take into consideration the product price here, as you guys can see, which is 56, which is bringing us to an overall loss of $78. So what can I say? The challenge was actually not that successful. As I said, the strategy still works very well, but in this video we actually somewhat ended up failing dropshipping. But that's it for today's video. I hope that you found it valuable and that you learned something new. As I said, the strategy works very well. We just got kind of unlucky, and that's something you have to expect too. Getting rich is not super easy. Sometimes we fail. Sometimes we make the best store whatever. We do everything to increase our chances. We research the market, but we simply just fail. That's okay. As long as you did your best beforehand, you're going to find a winning product. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'm Henrik, and on this channel, I'm posting about dropshipping, advertising, everything that has to do with online sales 2 times a week. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe and join my free Telegram, which is linked in the description, because I give free advice there all day. That's going to be life-changing. But that's it for today. I'll see you all in the next video.